Day one of trying to drink an entire Nevada Reaper soda without burping. Okay, this is my first time, so I'm just gonna touch my tongue first. Okay, here goes.
What have I done?
Ew.